Hello everyone, we are in the heart of Istanbul now and we've come across our first mosque that we want to go inside. We actually found this because we had to go to the bathroom. Rowan used the squat pot or whatever, even though they had regular toilets on the other side. We'll see you inside. We got some chicken donair. So the wraps we just ordered came with a wrap, but underneath is a little plastic bag, so if you're not done with it, you can just take it home.
This is our friend over here.
So we're at the gates of the Istanbul University. Woo! We'll show you how the Grand Bazaar looks in a few seconds. So we're in the Grand Bazaar, the more calm part of it now though. And there's lots of cats, so you'll get to see those too. Like for example, there's one right here.
Hello.
That's so cute. We are now at the Blue Mosque. We're excited to go inside this one. It'll be pretty cool. So we're inside the Blue Mosque and it's pretty amazing, honestly. Yeah, and the video definitely doesn't do it justice. But
Cue wide angle clip now.
alright, mosque number 5 or 4 today. But this is the main one. This is the Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia. I don't really know how to say it. So this is amazing. Very, very, very beautiful.
Look at these lights. Okay, we are walking home now. We have about an hour walk.
Yeah, and we are absolutely exhausted.
Ready to have a baby?
No, not yet.
And now we're gonna show you the real parts of Istanbul that nobody else shows you. You can see the mosque very faintly in the background. And here's some housing. And then all of the seagulls flying around. All right, we're still walking home, but this time we're walking along the water's edge. We stopped for a break.
I told Rowan we were 18 minutes, but we're actually 10 minutes away from home. I tried to give you some hope, you know, so that one.
Okay, let's go. What the heck are we sitting for?